Okay, today, guys, we're doing the Civil War. Some people still fighting it. Okay, here goes some soldiers on post. Union guys. Army encampment. Oh, these are the Confederates. Let's go talk to the Confederates.
So it's watertight. Well, what didn't they think about? They put a parking garage and stuff down there. Guess what? The Mississippi fucking comes over and the water flowed down into their parking garage through the street. Okay, you got a waterproof tub, but it's gonna fill up for the.
This guy's loading a musket.
You couldn't tell them anything, man. That was hilarious. And then they put the power stuff in there.
That's mercury fulminate. And when mercury fulminate gets hit with the hammer, you put it on half cock, you put the cap on the nipple, and now we're loaded. So to be careful, it's on safety now. If I want to fire the musket, I have to put it on full cock. Then I have to sight my target, squeeze the trigger, hammer strikes the cap, and off she goes.
How much of a kick is there?
A considerable kick, yes.
Yeah?
That's why you got this healthy sized buttstock. You brace your body like that.
Very nice. Well, thank you.
Would you like to hold it?
Sure.
How much does it weigh? I didn't weigh it, but it's painfully heavy. But you're marching a lot.
You're marching and carrying.
No, it's that strong. I wasn't there to feel. Holy crap!
That thing is real?
He says it's an actual antique from the Civil War.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's real cool.
Would you like to hold it, ma'am?
No, that's okay, thank you. She's got a hold.
No? You know, the little boys always like to hold the musket.
You want to try it?
Is she shy?
She is very
So would
shy.
you like to hold it?
No, thank you. No, thank you. I'm filming.
Anyway, I'm from the UK.
Thought I heard a little of an accent in there.
Kidding. Well, welcome to the U.S.
Well, I'm a regular visitor. I've been here since I was 16.
Where's your accent?
They do reenactments in the UK too.
American Civil War?
Yes, they do.
Oh,
No
wow.
way.
Yes, they do. They love it.
Do they?
See, Britain was a victim in the Civil War. Did you know that 50,000 privates, British citizens, died in the Civil War of starvation?
Why?
Because of the federal blockade cut off the cotton trade.
Yep.
The cotton trade fed all the textile mills. And without a job, they didn't have unemployment. They all starved to death.
Oh,
No
wow.
textiles.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, I got it. Very interesting.
Yeah, I didn't know.
So there's a lot of sympathy for the southern states and so in the UK. In fact, we built the Navy.
I remember you guys built the CSS Alabama.
Yes.
Right.
I remember
And
that.
after the war, Britain had to pay reparations for building the Confederate Navy. Did you know that?
I did not. I bet I can see the American government.
Yeah, yeah.
Saying, hey.
Well, thanks for doing this. Appreciate it. And I did not
Very
know all that.
interesting.
Thank you for teaching me.
But the social system of the South is very close
To the British.
You know, they have class systems.
Oh, he's
The
doing
South
it.
is
He's got
much like that.
And a lot of
But the The UK never had slavery or slaves. The Queen was against it.
Victoria. No, Victoria at the time. Victoria was the queen during the Civil War.
Victoria was a queen.
Printed. They're only for the guests. You know?
If I'm not mistaken, they got rid of slavery sometime around 1805.